We fell asleep in one world and woke up in another. Suddenly, Disney is out of magic. Paris is no longer romantic. New York doesn't stand up anymore. The Chinese wall is no longer fortress. And Mecca is empty. Hugs and kisses suddenly become weapons. Not visiting parents and friends become an act of love. Suddenly you realize that money, beauty, and power are worthless and can't get you the oxygen you are fighting for. The world continues its life, and it is beautiful. It puts humans in cages. I think it's sending us a message. You are not necessary. The air, water, and sky without you are fine. When you come back, remember that you are my guests, not my masters.